Yeah, this is one. What about the other two rules?
Yeah. And just note that probably not all the code is in here. It's actually for the whole my adapter. So basically, you need to change the whole. You need to make some modification on the adapter, so the method can be passed in.
Also, can you go to info fragment?
Info fragment. See.
Okay. I missed the on-trade view.
Yeah.
So like we made the item so that it implements parsable.
Yes.
But then what are the methods that we need to override? Because like it seems to me like I got like an error that says that I needed to implement like tons.
Yeah. It just let me just remove all those implementation and I guess do it again. I think all these are implementation. Alright, so when you see this, just Alt Enter and just say Add Possible Implementation, and that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Would you mind going to info fragment again?
Which one?
Info
The
fragment.
info? Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
For the exercise, 1 second. If I remember correctly, it's NAV, but let me double check. Yeah, so the access code is NAB. My app crashed and click the telephone button. Okay, So do you mind share your screen?
Hi, Professor. You see my screen?
Yeah. Not possible, but it is possible that because your T is uppercase. Yeah. So change that to lowercase. No, the
Sorry,
data,
which one?
the data, right? You have the tau, no, and then just change the T to the lowercase t.
Sorry, which part here?
Not here. It's
Oh.
your data, right? Your string, your string volume. Yeah, probably just change to the lowercase t. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. And then you can try it. I think that's the only problem.
Let's try. Thank you. Oh yeah, thank you.
No problem. That's declared in the menu resource. So in your menu, you have two items. One is for information, and one is for uninstall.
Can you also go to fragment info.xml? XML.
Yeah, that's just. fragment detail. Yeah, I don't know why you need to see the layout files because you don't have to do the exact same thing.
Is it a frame layout? Like right there in that one, what type of layout is it? If you go to the first line or so? Okay.
Doesn't really matter. You can have any kind of layout.
more questions. So for detail fragment, we need an R that string that argument key.
1 second. What? Can you say again? Sorry.
Detail fragment. We have something called an R that string that argument key.
Where?
Yeah, right there on line 26.
Oh, yeah. Right, you're just getting the data back.
Yeah, but what is in argument key?
That's just the key you're using. You can set it to any value.
Okay.
Yeah, like the value of the argument key doesn't really matter. Yeah. That's just the key that you refer to your argument. And because we use this argument key in several places, therefore just have a string resource so it can be consistent.
Okay.
Okay, so do you mind sharing your screen?
Professor,
Yes, go ahead.
can I ask something about the exercise?
Yes, sure.
My the website link and my return button seems to overlap. I don't know what happened.
So can you share your screen?
Yeah. My screen.
Yes.
So if I click on the web browser,
Mm-hmm.
this one overlaps.
Okay, so can you see the code for your browsers? The activity main. Not this thing. The activity main. Yeah. Return linear layout. I'm not sure. Like website. Seems. Vertical. Yeah, seems okay. So maybe just add some margin. I don't know. Like I add a margin like between the text view and the button. I don't know.
I thought like I wouldn't need to do that because it's already a linear layout.
Yeah. So that's why I'm a little bit confused. Like it should not be like that. But yeah. So you probably just add a or just set the text field, right? The text field, just set the text, see what will happen. Set a text in the text field. Yeah, so it seems it's working okay, so I don't know why it happened. So I guess nothing too big deal. Yeah, it's because from the code it's correct, and also from the test it's also correct. Don't know why it's just going to middle. Yeah, you just keep it as it is, and I don't think the grader will deduct any points for that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So just to be safe, you can just leave a comment saying the professor said that it's okay. Yeah.
Okay, I will try and fix it
Yeah.
first.
Yeah.
Thank you, Professor.
No problem.
So if we have, so this is due Sunday next week, right?
Sorry.
This is due next Sunday, not this Sunday, but the other one.
Yes, next Sunday. Yeah.
Okay. And are we gonna still work on that next week?
No, we're already done with that.
Okay. I see. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Hi, Professor.
Yes, go ahead.
For my adapter, where is
where are you getting fragment row binding?
Wait, any fragment row binding? I believe once you set the list fragment, it's actually generated for you. So can you share your screen?
Yeah. Right here.
Okay. So can you go to your Gradle file? The Gradle. Just down below. Yeah, the thing. Seems like you have the view binding, so I'm not sure why. So can you go back to the code, to the adapter? My adapter. Yeah. So can you scroll down? And just move your wait. I think I know why, because you didn't change the name. I didn't change the name of your user interface file to the row. So therefore the wait. So no, actually no, that's not the can you just go like either one to see? No, so which one is for your row and which one is for your list?
This one's for the list, I think, and this one's for the row.
Oh, so in this case, I guess it's easier to change in my adapter. So in my adapter, changing the row into list, because you need to match this name.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's list binding. Uppercase LL. Yeah. There you go. Yeah.
And I can just remove this.
Yeah, you just remove all this. Yeah. And just change to list. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Oh, one more question.
Okay.
So when you're selecting the rows, how does the application know which description and which image to go to? Because it seems like the fragment production is hard coded.
So the hard code part actually will be overridden at the runtime. The hard code because just want to help us to kind of see the layout, right? So we can place the layout, but the actual volume will be replaced at the runtime.
Okay, I see. Right. Thank you, Professor.
No
Have a nice day.
You too.